Alrighty guys, we are playing the Hot Red Ruby dollar machine. Going bet 3, see what happens. I heard they released the dropping jewelry on this machine, so kind of excited. At High Winds Casino. Come on, baby. Let me bet $1 real quick. So, oh, don't do nothing. Okay. Now $3 all the way through and see what happens. Hopefully we can catch something cool. Cherry? Not even. Let me go with $4 bet and see what happens. The bingo card looks ugly, but hopefully it'll switch around. Drop a jewelry? No. Something? No. Alright. I'm going to hit the max bet. Okay. Try a little something. Take it back to 3 real quick. How about $4? Okay. Run it again. Oh, we got the jewelry drop, guys. Pirate Strike. I mean, step ladder, I meant. Yep. Nice. I love it. So I guess $4 is the secret bet number, but you know me, I'm gonna have to rotate it back and forth, guys, just to see what happens. Something? No. Just rotating 3s, 4s, and 5s. Should have went red for a pirate strike, but alright. I knew it was going to happen, but it looked good though. Oh, another drop in jewelry. I want the square. It's another step ladder. Yep, I guess $4 is the magic number. So, do it again? Oh, no. Okay. Hot dog? No? I really thought that was going to happen. Cherry? Not even a cherry. Okay. Alright, now we'll hit the max bet a couple of times. Alright, the rest is going to be $4 all the way through, guys. Let's see if this $4 bet is promising. Something. Oh, look at that bingo card. Alright. Wish we went red for a pirate strike, but hey. Give me a quick second, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, back in business again. What do you? Go red. Ah. Just going to stick with 4 all the way through. Totally lied. I'm going to hit max bet. That was 5 times. Yeah. Every time I hit 5, the bingo card looks ugly. So let's go 3 real quick. Another 3. Then we'll final push will be a $4 bet. And can we get something? Mixed bars? Alrighty guys, we are playing the Hot Red Ruby, the $2 denomination. Decided to put my $50.13 in there. Gonna rotate bets and see what happens. See if this jewelry drops. Cherry. Okay. Step ladder. Come on, drop a jewelry. Nope. Oh man, that would have been nice if that would have landed in the middle. But there was no bingo card to guarantee that, so. Step ladder? No. Come on, Ruby. Swear every time I hit the max bet, that bingo card just like terrible. Oh, mixed bars. Could have went red for a mixed bars, you know. But all right. Drop a jewelry. Nope. Cherry. Not even. Okay. Something. Ooh, we caught the T. Come on, square. Yep, I knew it. Caught the T off it. And I had to do it on 1. It's crazy, guys. Love it. I love it. The jewelry drop. Ooh, do it again, please. Ooh, mixed bars to face single. Stay. Oh, man, look, the T pattern was there, too. I guess it's active on 1 bet. At least we know. Ooh, something. Oh man, look at that bingo card. At least we know that all the red rubies here drop jewelries, guys, at High Winds Casino. Ooh, step ladder, guys. 20 credits. Repeat. Drop a jewelry again. Oh man, that would have been nice if it did. So we did the $1 machine, the $5 machine, and this $2 machine. And the $5 was the only one that, you know, doubled us up. Cherry. Cherry? No. Oh no, come on. Don't do this to me, Ruby. We were so close to the double up. Okay, we're gonna do 2 bets all the way through. And last 2. Come on, Ruby. Oh, nothing. Yeah. Look at that, guys. On my very last bonus spin. Betting on 88 cents. Only had like $4.70 left. You know what that means? I'm gonna play some more BGTs, baby. Woo. Look at that. Beautiful. At High Winds Casino, baby. Cannot complain. Good times, baby. Alrighty, guys. We are playing the Hot Red Ruby. Decided to put my $40.20 in here on a $5 denominations. Hopefully something happens. Single, single, single. Drop a jewelry. Woohoo! We got 50 credits, guys. Step ladder. I prefer a square, so sorry about that. So the first square, up there you go. It's 10 credits though. 12 credits. Look at that. First push, double up already. We'll give it a couple more. That was fun. Another jewelry drop. Ah, all right. Do it right here. Drop a jewelry. All right, there you guys go. $40 in, $80 out. Thank you so much, $5 Hot Red Ruby. Good times, baby. Alrighty, guys, we are playing the Hot Red Ruby. Got $80 in there. Going to rotate from 10 to all the way to max bet. So 10, 15, 20, 25. You know the drill. Catching the red screens. Well, hopefully we can catch a red screen. Ooh, something. Oh man, that bingo card could have triggered a red screen. Okay. Max bet. Okay, repeat. Something. Ooh, so far got eyes. Got the Little Dipper. And baby buggy. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Yeah. Beautiful, guys. Repeat. Okay. Repeat again. Oh, look at that. Go red. Oh. Gentleman just played a $25 machine, guys, and landed face. Let me give a sneak peek and see if that happens. Look at that. Bam. All right. Just playing everything Ruby today, guys. But, ooh, come on. Hit the max bet. Couple more rotations, and we'll get out of here. Alrighty, we started with like 80 bucks, guys, and we're gonna cash out at 218 bucks. Thank you so much, Hot Red Ruby 2. Good times, baby. Alrighty, guys, we are playing Ruby's Night Out 9-liners. Just freshly jump off the 5-liners and coming over here. See what I can make. Just start out a little 54, just to freshen it up. And off the bat, first spin, red screen. So far I got the letter Y's.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Another letter Y. Come on, rotate it, please. Okay, and lucky sevens. Let's run that. Repeat again. Okay. All right, another repeat before we rotate it. Okay. Caught the red screen, so that's a good sign. All right. The goal is just kind of get it up to like either 300 or sink it down to 200, and we'll find something else to play. But today is just everything ruby. You know me, I gotta rotate my bets, man. Nothing happened, goes up a notch. I really thought the lazy T was gonna land. Nope. Gotta hit every single bet, guys. Ooh, something? Nope. Little something. Oh, now that's nothing. Okay. Moving up the bet. Come on. Oh, damn. I was really hoping to do the doggy bone. I think that's... Oh, something, please? No? Too early? All right. Man, it seems like the higher the bet I go, it's just the bingo card looks ugly. But we're almost there, guys. Two more bets and we are done with this machine. Moving on to something else. Go red. Cross corners, 20 bucks. Okay, repeat it. Again. And one more spin. It's probably one hitter quitter. Yeah. It landed something, so I guess I have to repeat that bet again. And to our final push, which is going to be 180 nickels, which is $9. And let's see what happens. Come on, baby. Something. Why? Do it. Do it. Yes, we got it, guys. We got I so far. Hopefully it rotates to letter Y. Yep, letter Y. Another letter Y. Yep, there you guys go. Not too bad. All right, we got a backup spin it. All right, there's a nice little fun session on the 9-liners. Thank you so much, Ruby's Night Out. Good times, baby.